Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Timex Ironman Triathlon with the two buttons. So as you can see, we have one on the left side and one on the right. There is also another model that features two on the left and two on the right. So I have a full guide for that as well, link in the description box below. This particular model is going to show us a few arrows pointing at what we can do next in order to set the time and date. So I would say that this one is a little bit more intuitive. Now the first thing that we need to do is to press the set/clear button in order to arrive there. I'm going to press and hold, and now it is going to show us that you can change the number by pressing the upper button and go ahead. So scroll forward, toggle forward using the bottom button. Now as you can see, we have the arrow pointing upwards because it shows me that I need to press this button in order to change the hours. So I can press one by one, or I can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. It is going to go a little faster. As you can see, we have the 24-hour display. I'm going to leave it at 16, and now we have an arrow that points to the mode button or the pulse one. I'm going to press this one as well. Now here you can set the minutes one by one. So first I'm going to make it 40, and then I can make it 45 or 48 and so on. So I'm going to press the upper button in order to make it 40. Now I'm going to press the mode button in order to arrive at the minutes, so the last part of the minutes, and now I can press them one by one in order to make them 45, as you can see right here. Now I can press the mode button once again, and it is going to arrive at the seconds. If I press the start button, it is going to reset them to 0. Now I'm going to press the mode button, and as you can see, I can set the month. So I can make it October, November, December. I'm going to leave it at December. Then I'm going to press the mode button, and I'm going to be able to set the day of the month. So I'm going to make it the 24th. I can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I can switch between 24-hour display and 12-hour display. As you can see, if I press it once, it is going to switch to 12-hour, and if I press it once again, it is going to switch to 24 hours. I prefer the 24-hour display, so the military time, so I'm going to press the mode button once again. Now as you can see, we are going to arrive once again at the beginning. So now I can go and adjust the hours, the minutes, the month, and then the day of the month, and then also the digital display. So you can use the upper button in order to change something and the lower button in order to toggle forward. So these are all the features that you need to know, and once everything is done, you are going to press the set/clear button once, and now everything is saved. As you can see, we have the 24-hour display. It is 16:46, and we are on the 24th of December. So guys, this was the quick tutorial on how to set the time and date on the Timex Triathlon with the two buttons on the sides. So this is a different model that some of you might have. Once again, I have a full guide on how to do this on the one with the 4 buttons, link in the description box below. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot. Leave a comment. Let me know what you would like to see next in the future videos. Also, subscribe if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews. And I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.